Okay, so it's time to install one of our wall lights. This is now got a hole in it. I did that by using a craft knife to cut a gap, and then used my scissors to cut a further hole. I'm now going to add some glue, and I'm actually using wood glue for this because I am gluing wood onto paper, and because I want it that way around, wood onto paper, it's less strong by using Pritt stick, so I'm going to actually be using the wood glue. Line up my holes and place your light over the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to use some of the lighting of the cable, which is away from the candelabra. It's going to poke through that hole. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. I've folded it back on itself. And we're going to poke it through, then butterfly the wire on the other side. So I shouldn't really be doing this. I would recommend you leave the glue to dry, but it has gone through. And I'm going to butterfly the other side. It's moving around. Can you see? It's been butterflied there. And then the light sits inside, gives off a really nice effect. But I would recommend that you leave this to dry first before attempting to feed the light through. And I'd also recommend using wood glue for this particular element, as this gets a lot of play.